All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2018 Chevy Camaro. It is the the RS model, beautiful black with black cloth interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls. It's got a soft top convertible, rear wing. Only 23,000 miles on this vehicle. Best of all, minimal damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks fantastic. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks very nice. Here's your front driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. And let's check out your tire tread. Just under 730 seconds, but above 4. This door looks good. This quarter looks good. Here's your rear driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing here. The tire tread under 730 seconds, but above 4. Rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Of course, it comes with power windows, power door lights, and power mirrors. Jump into the vehicle. It is a push start system. This vehicle does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player on it and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Wow, look how nice that looks. Got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 23,399. Keeping it moving. Open up the trunk. I believe there's a button here. There it is. Rear bumper looks pretty darn nice. Your rear trunk lid looks good. Here's what your trunk looks like. No spare tire down here. I believe these are run flats or something like that. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear rear passenger side rim. Very nice. Does it have some curbing? It does. 3, 6. It's got some curbing and splotches. I'll say 10 or more. Just don't go off at all. Check out your tire tread. Just under 730 seconds. This door has a little ding here. Yeah, it does. It has a little ding there. Hard to see, but it is there. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. This fender looks good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing here. Some more here. Some more spotches. I'll say multiple, I guess I could say. Tire tread is over 730 seconds. I'm going to get my man Kevin to put up this roof so we can see that it does work on camera. It's on the top, Kev. Yep. There we go. Boom. And I believe the windows goes up too. No? Yep. That is with the top up, folks. Thanks, Kev. Turn on the lights. Lights are on. Car is running. All right. Folks, once again, this is a 2018 Chevy Camaro RS model with 23,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.